Hi and welcome. This is my Howard Gem rotavator 350, and I'm going to show you today the starting process of it, so stick along. So here's the engine. It's a single cylinder and it has a decompression switch on it, and this here is the throttle on it. I just have a little notch on it. It just comes up to the first notch. This here is the decompression switch. So I just normally, the pointed end, I'll stick that up to 1 o'clock. And if you go along, you have the wind handle here, and I'll show you how to start it.